Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update ngayong July 1 to 15, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And it's Cancer season, so happy birthday, happy solar return, Cancers. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, and good health. So let's see what's up. Energy update for Cancerians. So series, nurture, you're going to take care of yourself, practicing self-love, self-care. Yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, you will be there for them to take care of them. And at the same time, no, protecting them as well. Kasi, di ba, if inaalagaan natin ang isang tao or mahal sa buhay natin, we are also protecting them. 11th house, community. So, some of you, meron kayong mga gagawin or i-involve niyo yung sarili niyo sa isang community work or being part of a group, being part of a community na kung saan meron kayong parehong mga goal sa buhay or yung mga gusto nyong ma-achieve sa buhay, pare-pareho kayo ng interes, pwedeng magiging membro ka nila, no? Di ba may mga Facebook groups din, pare-parehong interest. So you may be a part of that group, or yung iba sa inyo, focus sa inyong mga goals and dreams, yung mga gusto nyong ma-achieve sa buhay. You also have the Neptune. Oh, okay. So this is about your creativity, yung inyong pagiging imaginative. You're going to use your imagination ngayong first half ng July to create something, no? Using your imagination to create something. So, maaring related sa career mo or sa mga plano mo sa buhay na, kumbaga parang binivisualize mo na what you really want to achieve. And then, you will work towards that. Pagtatrabahuhan mo. Oh, why? Three of Swords. Overall energy. Something is bothering you. May painful situation dito. What is the Three of Swords for Cancer? Second house. Okay, some of you, Cancer, meron kayong challenging situation with your resources, finances. Okay? Kaya ito yung kailangan yung pagtuunan ng pansin ngayong first half ng July para lang dun sa may mga challenges sa kanilang finances, no? Your challenge is the Page of Cups. Kaya pala, I think makakatulong sa inyo talaga yung pagsama sa mga grupo na meron kayong parehong interest para ma-inspire kayo. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, parang you feel uninspired. Maaring may mga bagay na hindi kayo na-achieve, natupad ng mga nakaraan. And yung iba, pwedeng dinidibdib nyo na bakit ganito, bakit ganon. Ba't hindi ko nakukuha yung gusto ko? So, sometimes you feel frustrated. Okay? Kaya yung challenge sa inyo is kung paano mo makikita yung brighter side of life, kung paano ka mas magiging optimistic, positibo yung pananaw mo kahit na may challenges kang pinagdadaanan. Your opportunity, wow, o diba, bumawi naman sa opportunity. Six of Wands. This is somehow fortune after difficulty rin to kasi nanggaling to sa isang conflict, challenge, labanan, pero umuwi siya na matagumpay. Okay? So, you have the opportunity na malagpasan itong challenge na to na kinakaharap ninyo. Lalo na if this is about your resources, yung inyong finances. So, this is about success. Okay? So, don't you worry. Whatever this is, may success. Okay? You will be Kumbaga, ma-overcome mo. You will overcome successfully ang isang challenge. Your blessing is the King of Wands. This is freedom. Freedom na magawa mo yung gusto mo. You are also driven, no? Kumbaga, mas magkakaroon ka ngayon ng lakas ng loob, ng courage, na i-pursue yung passion mo. Parang tatanggalin mo yung limitations mo. Yung limitations na pwedeng ikaw rin mismo yung nagbigay sa sarili mo. Some of you, meron kayong blessings of traveling to some places. This is like listening to the beat of the drum. Kumbaga, fino-follow mo kung saan ka, nasaan yung puso mo, nasaan yung interest mo, nasaan yung passion mo. Lalo na kung nakikita mo na unti-unti, no, may malaking magandang pagbabago sa buhay mo. So sa money, career, finances, Three of Wands, this is expansion. Pag-unlad ng trabaho, ng career mo, ng business mo. Nine of Wands, hindi siya madali, okay? Hindi siya madali. It requires a lot of hard work. But I'm telling you, this is worth it. Worth it siya na effortan. Itong career mo, itong trabaho, itong business na to. Seven of Wands, I think you are also going to be very careful in choosing, no? Yung pagpili ng mga taong ipapaligid mo sa buhay mo. Yung mga taong hahayaan mo to be part of your life, to be part of your career, your business. Okay? Pipiliin mo lang yung mga supportive sa'yo, yung mga taong nakakatulong sa'yo. You are also going to bring balance in your life, in your career, in your finances. So I think ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong ma-overcome nyo yung challenge. Na yes, meron ditong, you may feel disappointed at some point in your life, especially in your finances or yung career. Pero after naman nun, may success. So worth it siya. O, diba? Oh my God! Success! Oh, diba? Oh my God! Oh, Sun. Sun is also about success. This is energy, life force. You are shining. Oh my God. Diba? Cancerians, grabe. Kahit na may challenge, syempre yan yung sinasabing, there's a rainbow after the rain. Okay? So, wag niyong pansinin kung meron mang Three of Swords dyan. I-acknowledge nyo lang na, okay, this is my feeling, malungkot ako, feeling dissatisfied in life. Pero, the more na i-push mo yung sarili mo to, labanan itong challenges na to, you will definitely be successful, okay? In your career. Makakagawa ka ng solusyon sa challenges na yan. Okay? Sa naman, love life, love and relationship. Knight of Swords. Naku, okay. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, Cancer, to ha? Related sa relationship, yung maaring dahilan rin ng challenges ninyo or reasons kung bakit parang you are feeling sad or you are feeling disappointed. Maari kasing merong tao na malapit sa'yo na nagkaroon ng betrayal, no? Oo, with the Five of Swords. You feel betrayed because maaring meron siya mga sinabi na hindi mo nagustuhan, maaring mas nakilala mo tong taong to, yung tunay na ugali niya, tunay na pagkatao niya, na hindi yun yung akala mo, no? Na inaakala mo na ugali niya. So, at least, alam mo na, no? Na-reveal na sa'yo. Transformation, major change. I think ito yung mas magbibigay sa'yo ng lakas ng loob, no? Na ma-overcome yung challenge mo na yan sa isang taong pinagkatiwalaan mo. And with abundance energy here, yung energy mo ay ibubuhos mo sa career mo, sa sarili mo, kung paano mo mas ma-i-improve ang buhay mo, no? Mm-mm. Oh, bitch fire. Stand up for yourself. You are going to stand up para sa sarili mo. Na alam mo sa sarili mo na ikaw ang number one na dapat mong asahan, pagkatiwalaan. Okay? So, ikaw yung magbibigay ng liwanag sa iyong daan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye!